In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert charts from Google Sheets in Google Slides. We'll start in a presentation, create a chart, open its source spreadsheet, and get your own data driving the visuals. By the end, you'll have a linked chart that stays in sync with your spreadsheet. First, open your Google Slides presentation and go to the slide where you want the chart to appear. Click once on the slide canvas so Slides knows exactly where to place it. A clean content-only layout makes charts easier to position, but any slide will work. Next, go to the top menu and choose Insert. From there, select Chart. You'll see several options. Choose Column to drop in a ready-made column chart. Slides will place a sample chart onto your slide. It's already linked to a Google Sheets file behind the scenes, which is what makes it easy to keep your data and visuals connected. Feel free to drag the chart to reposition it and use the corner handles to resize it proportionally so your labels remain legible. Now click the chart to reveal its quick actions. You'll see a small menu that lets you jump to the data source. Choose Open Source. This opens the connected Google Sheets in a new tab. In the spreadsheet, you'll find a highlighted data range that powers the chart. Click into the highlighted cells and replace the sample values with your own data. Keep the basic structure intact. Use a header row for labels, keep categories in the first column, and place numeric values in the columns to the right. If you're pasting data, match the formatting to numbers, dates, or text as needed so the chart interprets it correctly. You can rename headers to reflect your metrics, and you can add or remove rows to fit your data set. For clearer storytelling, keep category names concise and avoid blank rows in the middle of your range. Because the slides chart is linked to this spreadsheet, the visual can reflect your changes from Sheets. When you return to Slides, you'll see an option to update so the chart reflects the new data. That connection is what keeps your presentation accurate without rebuilding charts each time your numbers change. A few quick tips as you polish: position the chart so it doesn't overlap important text, ensure your color choices have enough contrast, and keep axis labels readable by avoiding overly long names. If you want to fine-tune the look or switch styles, you can adjust the chart settings in the Sheets chart editor, and the linked chart will use those changes. That's it. You've inserted a chart in Slides, opened its source in Sheets, and connected it to your own data for a reliable, up-to-date visual.